Hello, dear students. This is the last session of unit number 5, that is testing tool and measurement, and this is also last session of your subject software testing. Okay, so our today's topic is metrics and measurements. We'll start with the measurement first. Uh, so, what is software measurement? A measurement is a manifestation of the size, quantity, amount, and or a dimension of a particular attribute of the product or a process. So, according to this particular manifestation, you can measure a particular product or process. So according to the size you can measure the particular product, according to the quantity you can measure a particular product, according to the amount, or you can according to the cost, according to the budget you can measure a particular product, right? So these are the attributes from by using these attributes you can measure a particular product or a process. So need of software measurement. Software is measured to first it is measured to create the quality of the current product or a process. It is used to measure to create the quality of the current product or a process. Okay, then it is used to measure the anticipated future qualities of the product or a process. Okay, so it is also used to anticipate future qualities of the particular product or a process. It is also used to measure or enhance the quality of the product or process. So basically measurement is nothing but a statistics. By using this statistic you can improve the quality of your application. Okay, it is used to regulate the state of the project in relation to budget and schedule. Okay, so accordingly you can measure, and you can after measurement you can use different action plan, prepare different action plan and apply it on your application, so you can improve your application quality accordingly. Okay, next is classification of software measurement. There are two types of software measurement. First is a direct measurement and second one is a indirect measurement. In direct measurement, the product, process or a thing is measured directly using standard scale. So while suppose if you want to measure a particular application by using their lines of code, so you can directly measure, okay, how total number of line present in that particular application, so you can directly measure it. So there is a particular scale that total number of lines are there, so it is particular scale is available for it. Okay, so it is called a direct measurement. The product and process or the things is measured directly using the standard scale. Next is the indirect measurement. In indirect measurement, the quality or a quantity, okay, to be measured is measured using the related parameters or by using by the reference. Okay, in indirect measurement the quantity or a quality to be measured is measured using the related parameters. Okay, or we can say it is used by the reference. Indirectly means it is not directly measured by particular things. If suppose you want to measure particular things, suppose kilometer per hour, so you required particular number particular you need to run a particular car or particular bike for a certain amount of time, then you will get the particular measurement, that kilometer per hour, kilometer per something, kilometer per liter, that like you can take. So it is called as indirect measurement. Okay, next is metrics. A metrics is a measurement of level that any impute belongs to a system, product or a process. There are four functions related to the software metrics. First one is a planning, second one is a organizing, third one is a controlling, and last one is a improvements. Okay, POCL, POCI. Okay. First one is a planning, second one is a organizing, third one is a controlling, and last one is improving. Okay, we'll see how it works. So characteristics of software metrics are: first one is quantitative. The metrics must possess quantitative nature. It means metrics can be expressed in values. Next is understandable. Metrics computation should be easily understood. The method of computing metrics should be very clear. Okay, next is applicability. Metrics should be applicable in the initial phase of development of the software. Next is repeatable. The metric value should be same when measured repeatedly and consistent in nature. Okay, so metric should be repeatable and consistent in nature. Next one is economical. Computation of metric should be economical. Computation of metric should be economical. And last one is language independent. So metrics should not dependent on any programming language. It should be language independent. So you can use that particular metrics for any particular application. Okay, so then there is not barrier of particular programming language. Then next is the classification of software metrics. There are three types of software metrics are there. First one is a product metrics, second one is a process metrics, and third one is a project metrics. Okay, so what is product metrics? Product metrics are used to evaluate the state of the product, tracking risk and uncovering prospective problems areas. Okay, so that's why the product metrics are used. Product metrics are used to evaluate the state of the product, tracking risk and uncovering prospective problem areas. The ability of team to control quality is evaluated. The ability of team to control quality is evaluated. So next is process metrics. The process metrics pay particular attention on enhancing the long term process of the team or organization. So process metrics is basically used, or it may pay particular attention on enhancing the long term process or the team or organization. Okay, next is project metrics. The project metrics describes the project characteristics and execution process, like number of software developer, staffing pattern over the life cycle of software. The next is a cost and schedule, and last one is a productivity. According to it, you need to perform a project matrix. So this is it with this video. So for all the best for your examination. I hope everybody will do very well. Okay, thank you.